Ever wondered why your trusty Brazilian wax suddenly feels like a completely different, and frankly, more painful experience after 40? You're not alone, and I promise, your skin isn't broken, it's just wiser. As we get older, our skin's personality changes. Natural collagen loss means it's less plump, the protective layer thins out, and it just doesn't bounce back as fast as it used to. This increased sensitivity is a normal, expected part of life. It's not a setback. It's a signal to adapt our approach to self-care. So, why does waxing suddenly feel sharper? The pain feels louder when your skin needs more care. Your nerve responses can become more heightened, and there's less natural cushioning from your skin's oils. Add in the stress of a busy urban lifestyle, like in NYC or Toronto, and recovery time shrinks. But here's the good news. A calm mind and body can genuinely lower the perception of discomfort. This realization is what leads us to a crucial shift in our waxing philosophy. It's time to move from speed to comfort. Fast isn't friendly anymore, calm is. A slower, more deliberate waxing technique actually supports the skin. It means less repeated pulling on the same area and gives the professional more control over the wax application. This gentle approach is a hallmark of high-end European spas, and for good reason. When you feel comfortable, you feel confident. Temperature also matters more than ever. Think about it, a cold shock makes mature skin tense up. This is why top spas in London and Berlin prioritize warmer treatment rooms. When your muscles are relaxed, the hair releases more cleanly, resulting in far less trauma to the skin. It's a simple change that makes a world of difference. And we can't talk about skin without talking about stress. That city's stress literally shows up on your skin. The stress hormone, cortisol, directly increases sensitivity. A hectic pace and lack of quality sleep sabotage your skin's recovery. By building calm routines and getting enough rest, you empower your skin to be more resilient and reduce those frustrating flakes. Your hair texture also changes after 40. It doesn't grow the same way anymore. You might notice some hairs becoming coarser while others get finer. The direction of growth can shift, and ingrown hairs might behave differently. A skilled professional knows that their technique must adapt to these changes for a successful and comfortable outcome. This is why a one-size-fits-all wax stops working. Your skin simply outgrows old routines. Maybe you've noticed you can't tolerate heat the way you used to. Or suddenly, fragrance products are causing irritation. This is where personalized care becomes non-negotiable. Distinguishing between hard and strip wax, for example, becomes crucial. Clinics in Australia are well known for customizing treatments, recognizing that what works for one person won't work for another. Now, let's talk strategy. Preparation is truly half the outcome. Good prep protects your comfort. Always start with clean, gently exfoliated skin a day or two before your appointment, but avoid any harsh acids. Hydrated skin handles the waxing process so much better and leads to fewer reactions afterward. It's the foundation for a good experience. Timing also matters more than you might think. Your calendar can actually control your sensitivity. Getting waxed on a high-stress day is going to feel worse. Your hormonal cycle plays a huge role, and even travel can increase irritation. Think about whether you feel more sensitive in the morning or evening. Planning your appointment for a low-stress time can significantly reduce the shock to your system. Here's a technique that's simple but incredibly powerful. Your breath calms your nervous system. During the wax, focus on long, slow exhales. This simple action relaxes your muscles, reduces that involuntary tensing reflex, and can even speed up your recovery time. It's a wellness space staple that you can bring right into the treatment room. And remember, the moment the waxing ends, the real care begins. After wax care is the hero of this story. That immediate post-wax window is when you need to soothe inflammation and support your skin's barrier. This prevents delayed redness and ensures that feeling of comfort lasts, so your confidence returns faster. What should you avoid? Alcohol-based products. That sting isn't a sign of cleanliness, it's a sign of damage. Alcohol strips away your skin's protective oils, delays healing, and can actually increase the sensation of burning. Gentle is always safer, especially now. What you wear afterward matters. 2. Tight clothes, especially in busy cities, trap heat and create friction that irritates freshly waxed follicles. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics. Giving your skin room to breathe is a simple way to support its healing process. It's also important to recognize that more isn't better anymore. Overtreating the skin with too many products can cause prolonged redness and stress. Your skin needs space to heal. A simple, minimal routine almost always wins. Let calm improve your results, not a cabinet full of lotions and potions. And let's not forget the most underrated skincare of all: sleep. Your skin heals while you rest. Cell repair peaks at night. Poor sleep, especially when traveling, will worsen irritation. Prioritizing calm nights will directly translate to better skin recovery and improved confidence. I need you to hear this: pain is not proof of effectiveness. The idea that harsh means better is a myth. Trauma just signals stress to your body. A gentle approach still removes the hair effectively, but it allows the skin to recover better and the hair to regrow healthier. It's about finding a sustainable routine that serves you for the long term. True confidence comes from predictability. Knowing what to expect brings a sense of peace. When you have a routine that works, there are fewer surprises and less anxiety. You can plan your life without worrying about a week of uncomfortable recovery. Trust in your routine builds over time. This might also mean spacing your appointments differently. Less often can feel much better. As healing time can increase with age, giving your skin more time to recover reduces cumulative trauma. This is a growing trend in European practices, and it just makes sense. More time between waxes leads to improved comfort. It's also key to know the difference between normal and concerning reactions. Not everything is a warning sign. Mild redness and a feeling of warmth that gradually fades are totally normal. A persistent burning sensation, however, signals a problem. Understanding your skin's language reduces fear and restores your confidence. Your number one priority now is your skin barrier. Barrier care truly changes outcomes. A healthy barrier protects nerve endings, locks in moisture, and prevents your skin from overreacting. It's the key to faster recovery and long-term comfort. Ultimately, emotional safety matters. Feeling safe lowers your perception of pain. A calm environment, a professional who doesn't rush, and gentle communication all contribute to a better experience. When you trust your technician and feel relaxed, your muscles loosen, and the entire process becomes more comfortable. It's about peace over performance. This journey is about realizing that consistency beats intensity. Steady, gentle care wins. Sticking to calm, predictable routines allows your skin to adapt and your comfort to compound. Everyone feels this quiet shift as they get older, but few say it out loud. The frustration with old methods turns into wisdom. Comfort becomes the main priority, self-respect grows, and care becomes intentional. So, what finally works after 40? It's a comfort-first approach. Gentle prep, thoughtfultiming.com aftercare, and respecting your body's need for recovery and emotional safety. This is the 2026 experience. It's about making informed choices and embracing wisdom over fleeting trends. Aging isn't a setback, it's an upgrade in awareness. You're learning to listen to your body and make smarter choices. This isn't about giving up, it's about growing wiser. Your skin evolves, your care adapts, and waxing can feel safe and comfortable again. Thanks for watching.